So your rare opportunity to get the old and the modern in the sky together as we pay tribute to our veterans. Both aircraft were large, twin-tailed. Here it comes. And here comes Captain Paul Brown, of course, of the A-10 Thunderbolt II.
The A-10 for a slow roll along the show line to demonstrate the Hawk's precise handling characteristics. As Captain Brown rolls the A-10, you will notice a fake canopy painted on the belly of the aircraft directly underneath the cockpit. This false canopy is designed to deceive enemy ground troops as to the Warthog's direction of turn. Now from the left, Captain Brown and the slow roll. Brown is now configuring the A-10 for a pass down the runway. Well, he will perform an aileron roll at show center. During this maneuver, he will demonstrate the Hawk's rapid roll capability by rolling his 35,000-pound aircraft at almost 200 degrees per second. And now from the right, Captain Brown displaying the Warthog's rolling maneuverability. Captain Brown is now performing a classic aerobatic maneuver, the Cuban 8. It's the A-10's remarkable maneuverability that enables it to perform its close air support mission. Twisting and turning. The A-10's two General Electric turbofan engines add more than just power to its performance. They're also smokeless and much quieter than comparable engines. This makes the airplane much harder to hear and aids immensely in achieving tactical surprise when attacking.
Is proud to be here from Tucson, Arizona. I'd like to send a special welcome out to my in-laws, the Civil Rescues and Warners. It looks like I can see some Taliban in the infield. Let's see if I can take them out with a gun.
Thank you, Captain Brown. The A-10's maintainability is proven every time it flies in every imaginable climate. During deployments including desert shivers 7 times the destructive energy of the more conventional 20mm round. It will now take Captain Brown less than 30 seconds to get back into firing position for a second straight attack. With 2 hulls working together, enemy forces could expect to be under A-10 fire once every 10 to 15 seconds. His final attack. Well, he will simulate dropping 500-pound Mark 82 General purpose bombs are useful for cratering airfields or destroying buildings, adding versatility to the Hawk's arsenal of weapons. Performing a jink out maneuver that's designed to make life very difficult for enemy anti-aircraft gunners because it frequently changes direction, airspeed. Once again, we salute all those fighters. A tough armor barrier that can stop virtually everything, up to a 37mm anti-aircraft shell. Backup systems located in widely separated sections of the aircraft.
Okay. The white.
To fly and fight. Who have served their country in the sky.
Flying in formation today is a World War II era P-38 Lightning, piloted by Kevin Eldridge. And the U.S. Air Force A-10 Thunderbolt II, piloted by Captain Paul. And now from the left, the United States Air Force A-10 Thunderbolt II, piloted by Captain Paul R. Brown. Ladies and gentlemen, we hope you've enjoyed watching and taking pride in over 60 years of Air Force heritage. And to all military veterans, about the A-10, Air Combat Command, the Heritage Flight, or about the United States Air Force. Thank you, and have a great day.
Bobby Williams, folks, Staff Sergeant here, the voice of the team. How about a round of applause for him? Look at that crossover, too. You big lump in my throat seeing this heritage flight. That is.